today has not gone to plan. Left the house this morning at 3 AM. Drove down to Exeter, which is where I currently am now. So I'm supposed to be having a machine fitted by Varitech Systems into the white van, this thing. However, when I was about 12 miles short of where I needed to be, the van went into limp mode. So, as a result of that, the old girl needs recovering back up to Lancashire, and we're not going to be able to have her fitted out today. And yeah, so these things are sent to triers. I think, to be fair, the old Chris would have probably gone absolutely chicken oriental at this point, but there's not a lot you can do. You just got to roll with it sometimes. So yeah, I will endeavour to do a video about Varitech and the van strip out, etc. We're just going to have to, very sadly, we're going to have to postpone that video until such time it actually gets done. So yeah, it's all fun and games, I suppose, isn't it? So yeah, just got to, well, like I say, I mean, you know, people that run businesses, you know, it can be quite stressful, etc. when things don't go your way, etc. But I always find when dealing with problems and stuff like that, if the problem belongs to someone else, then give it back. So the issue is the van's currently under warranty, so as far as I'm concerned, the problem lies with the company that sold me the van. So yeah, I'm simply just giving the problem back. So yeah, on that rather awkward sort of admission there, have a good day, guys, and I shall speak to you in the next video. Yeah, about to go get a hire car and drive my ass back up to Lancashire. So anyway, keep on keeping on, guys. Speak to you in the next one.